Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday, where we show you a bite-sized strategy you can start implementing in your classroom tomorrow. Today we are talking about building capacity for expressive and receptive language using the sandwich approach that we use in our Disability work simulation. In the sandwich approach, feedback always starts with a positive. What did you love about the student's presentation? Is there a skill they've been working on you could celebrate? After the positive is given, move into constructive feedback. What could have been better? What questions do you have about their presentation or topic? To wrap it up, give one more positive and a motivator. Positively frame action items and next steps and finish with a compliment. After hearing the teacher give feedback and modeling the sandwich approach, it's time for the students to put it into practice themselves. Digitability includes a variety of differentiated resources to support your student at every level of the sandwich method. You can click the link to download our free resource all about using the sandwich method in your classroom. And thank you for joining me for 2-Minute Tuesday.